Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I started making money online. I'm going to uncover 3 myths that keep a lot of people from not making money online, and then explain to you how you can even get started today. All right, buddy, action. Let's do it. Hey, well, my name is Kurt and welcome to the Digital Padre channel. This is the very first video. If you're curious about turning your passions into profit, you are in the right place. Before I go too much further, I do want to say that this channel is all about giving value. And right from day one, I want to do just that. So if you stick around with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a free checklist with over 400 plus AI tools and websites that you can use now to start making money online and make your efforts be maximized, go further, faster. So stay tuned to the end of this video and I will be dropping info about getting that checklist. All right, so let's dive in. How did I start making money online? Well, it all started back in 2017. My wife and I and my golden doodle Rufio were traveling overseas in Europe for about 6 months. And man, we were just having an amazing time. So much so that we really didn't want to end our travels. But obviously we needed a way to make money and to fund our travels. So we started getting creative and looking for ways that we could make money online while we were traveling abroad. I'll never forget this one time when we were in a small cafe in Spain. We ran into this amazing Irish couple that were retired, and they were explaining just a little bit about how they are able to make their travels happen. And one of the things they said and shared was that they made money online by blogging, and they got jobs through LinkedIn and various websites you can get jobs from. And I remember hearing this was back in 2017, and my mind was blown. Now it's funny you look back because so many people are making money online now. It's like, who isn't? But at the time, for me, I was just so amazed that you could do this, and they had to be like in their maybe mid 60s, early 70s, making money online. And so then that instantly got me excited about, man, how can I do this? Like, what are things that I could do with my skills or things that I know about to start making money online? So after that conversation, that's really where my journey began. Since then, I have done a ton of things from, designing logos, building websites, social media marketing, creating YouTube content, blogging, even growing my own successful digital marketing agency and managing a remote team of international contractors. It's been a wild ride, to say the least. One thing I do want to be clear on, though, is that there's definitely a right way and a wrong way to do things. And for me, it hasn't always been easy. I started into this back in 2017, kind of scrambling my way through, trying to watch what other people were doing and see if it would work for me. And so my hope for this channel is that I'd be able to show you ways and tricks and things that I've learned along the way that I've seen work, and then help give you advice and tools and resources in a way to navigate through all of it so that you know what opportunities to pursue and what maybe might be a good thing to pursue for you, depending on where you're at in your journey. For me, what's really fueled my desire to make money online actually hasn't always been money. It's really been freedom, right? And the ability to, travel abroad and work remotely, right? While you're vacationing and seeing amazing places. Or now, I'm a father of 2 and I want to be more available to my young kids, have experiences with them and create memories together with them. And so now that's kind of fueling my passion to find ways to make passive income and have more time with my family and my kids. So let's tackle some of the myths around making money online. So myth number 1 is the idea that it's too late to start. Man, that could not be further from the truth. Maybe you think like the market is saturated, or, you're too old to dive in. You've missed it. Like the year is almost over. AI is already here. Crypto is already here. It's too late, and I missed it. Man, I want to encourage you to just remember even that retired couple that I just mentioned that were in Spain, right? Back in 2017, they were maybe in their mid 60s, early 70s. They were making money online, doing blogging. Your time is not too late. It's never too late to start. There's so much room out there. There's so many opportunities, and it's never too late to take the first step. All right, myth number 2, you need to be an expert. Man, when I started digital marketing and just working online, I really did not know a lot about running an online business. All I had was a laptop, I had an internet connection, and I had some free time. If you have those 3 things, you can do this. You can learn how to make money online and become the expert, but you don't even have to be an expert to get started. As long as you know a little bit more than someone else, then you have opportunity to leverage those skills and those talents. Just like I want to encourage you to always know that you have an impact and you can make an impact with those around you, just with what you already know. All right, myth number 3, it's all a scam. You know what? There are scams out there. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be real. But there are also a lot of genuine opportunities. The skill is really knowing how to find and navigate those opportunities. And that's exactly what I'm going to try to do on this channel, to help guide you on what opportunities to pursue, what opportunities not to pursue. Through this channel, I hope to inspire you, show you what's working, what's not working, maybe even experiment a little. One of the very first things we're going to do to kick off this channel is to actually go behind the scenes on growing a YouTube channel. This is the perfect opportunity to just peek in behind the hood and see what it takes for someone like myself to grow a completely new YouTube channel. And maybe you could even start yours at the same time. So we're going to be showing all of that in the next coming up videos on just like how am I optimizing this YouTube channel, how am I setting up the videos and all the settings and everything that you need to do. I'm going to be doing a screen share on my computer and just show all the ways to set up your YouTube channel for success. And the reason why I'm starting on YouTube is because YouTube is one of the best ways to make passive income online. It's one of the easiest ways to get started. All you need is a webcam or a phone and you can get started on YouTube today. So it's a great opportunity and I'm excited to make that the first series of videos on this channel for making money online. So before we wrap up this video, I want to share something really important as well about just learning in general, right? And getting into this space. Watching and learning is great, but it really means nothing if you don't take action and you don't take the next step. I have found myself in times in my life where I'm just consuming information, but I'm not putting any of it into use. And so my encouragement for you would be to really put these ideas into practice. Just increase 1% daily growth. Aim for that and you'll be off to the races. All right, well, thanks for hanging in with me on this video about what my channel is all about. I did want to go over that free guide, that free checklist that I mentioned earlier in the video. So thanks for hanging around. Really, I've created a free checklist with over 400 plus the best AI websites and tools that have helped me and many others maximize their profits online. So whether you're just beginning or like you're already way deep into this stuff, really this resource will be helpful and a huge advantage. So to get that free checklist, I want to encourage you to go to the link in the description, put your name in and download that. It's going to show you all of those tools and help you on your journey to making money online. Hey, well, that about wraps up this video. It's kind of short and sweet, but hey, if you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Definitely want to hear from you. See what are you excited about to work on? What are you passionate about? What are some, areas where you might need some breakthroughs? I would love to hear from you and see what kind of content to create for you guys. And also, other people in the community can help join in on the conversation so we can work together to make our dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the Digital Padre channel. Let's turn those passions into profits one click at a time, and I'll see you on the next one.